Hello and welcome to our channel Skillzenith Consulting. I'm Shilpa Banerjee and today we'll be doing the third part of Class 6 CBSE Social Science Lesson 1, The Earth in the Solar System. So in this video particularly, I'm going to cover the fun facts that is mentioned in the textbook. All the explanation has been done in the previous two presentations or videos. In this video, I'm going to give you or mention all the fun facts that is mentioned in your book. So let's start. Fun fact one, rings. I'm sure you would have heard about rings. Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus have rings around them. Not all planets, but these planets have rings around them. So what are these? These are nothing but these are belts of small debris. It's nothing like a belt for the planet. Okay. These rings may be seen from the Earth with the help of powerful telescopes. So if you take some, very, very powerful telescope, you may be able to see the rings around these planets. Fun fact two, origin of the word solar. We use the word solar so much, right? So, what is the origin of the word solar? Sol in Roman mythology is the sun god. Solar means related to the sun. So, sol is nothing but sun. Solar means related to sun. So, the family of the sun is therefore called the solar system. So, anything that is related to sun is called solar. So, now we have solar energy, solar, so many things, right? So it when you hear the word solar, it means related to the sun. Fun fact 3, origin of the word geography. Just like the word solar, there are many other words in English language that are derived from other languages. So similarly, geography, the word geography is an English word, but it has its origin in Greek. That means it is derived from the Greek language. So it means description of the earth. So it is made up of two words, GE or G means earth and graphia meaning writing. So when you put these two together, it means geography. So understood. So when you write something about Earth, when you want to know something about the Earth, it is called as geography. So now similarly, we have some more examples. Geology. Geo means Earth, and then logy means study of the Earth. So that means geology is the study of the Earth. Then you have geometry. So again, geo or geo means earth, and metry is the word derived from the word metria, which means measurement of the earth. So similarly, you have many other words that are derived from other languages. Okay. Fun fact for astronomers. So, who are astronomers? Humans have always been fascinated gazing at the night sky, right? Like, who doesn't like? And now, star gazing is one of the favorite hobbies of most of the people. You even have, many specific places that are meant for stargazing. So, all of us love gazing at the stars, but this is not something that we just started. Humans, since time immemorial, have been, always fascinated about the night sky. Like, what is it? What are the things in the sky, in the space? So, those who study the celestial bodies and their movements are called astronomers. So, all of us are curious about these things and we try to learn, but people who do it in a very scientific way, who dedicate a lot of the time and energy, who do research in this, who study it in depth, are called as astronomers. I'm sure many of you would also want to be astronomers, right? So Aryabhatta was a famous astronomer of ancient India. The picture that you see is of a famous Indian astronomer, Aryabhatta. He said that the moon and the planet shine due to reflected sunlight. So he was one of the first ones who spoke about, that other celestial bodies derive their, light from the sun. Today, astronomers all over the world are busy exploring the universe. Now you have so many astronomers, and they're all busy, studying about different aspects of astronomers. I'm sure many of you also would want to do it at some point of time. Fun fact five: speed of light. We know that the light is the fastest object. So light travels at the speed of about 3 lakh kilometer per second. So that's really really fast, right? That's like your superhero Flash. Yet even with this speed, the light of the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach the Earth. Imagine the light is so fast. Still, the distance is so much that the sunlight for the sunlight to reach Earth, it takes 8 minutes. Fun fact six, first man to walk on the moon. So, who was the first man to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. He was the first man to step on the surface of the moon, and this happened on 20th July 1969. So, here is a small question for you all. You can mention it in the comment. We all know that Neil Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon. Who was the second person? So, think about it and write it in the comment section. Fun fact 7, satellite. So, what is a satellite? A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets in the same way as planets move around the sun. So, what is the difference, main difference between satellite and planet? The objects, celestial objects that move around the sun are called planets. The celestial objects that move around the planets are called as satellites. So, moon, as you all know, is an example of a natural satellite. It revolves around the sun. The Earth. Fun fact 8, human made satellites. So, all the moons of different planets are natural satellites. Similarly, now with the advancement of science and technology, we have human made satellites. So, we have satellites that are made by us, which keep rotating around the planets. So, what is it? A human made satellite is an artificial body. Artificial meaning it is not natural, it is made by us. It's designed by scientists to gather information about the universe or for communication. So why do we, place it in the space? Because we want to know more about the universe. We want to learn about it. So that's why these satellites are made and they're sent to the space. It is carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the Earth. So the rocket, takes it or carries it on the, outside the Earth, and then it keeps rotating around the Earth, and it gathers information. Some of the Indian satellites in space are INSAT, IRS, EDUSAT, etc. There are many such satellites. You can do some homework and find out, the names of some more satellites. Thanks for watching. With this, we come to the end of everything that's mentioned in your textbook, and that was a part of this lesson. In the next video, as I told you earlier too, I'll give you the solution to the textbook exercises, and I'll also share extra questions and extra questions that could help you in your tests and exams. Thanks a lot for watching. Please watch, like, share, and comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Bye bye.